In our enchanting playroom, filled with building blocks, dolls, teddies, and so much more, live an animated group of characters. Each blessed with a unique charm, their love for play precedes every task. But as dusk draws near, their once vibrant playroom transforms into a messy chaos. Suddenly, their magical music box tinkles, singing the irresistible clean-up song. As its catchy tune fills the room, a spell is cast. The characters spring into action, ready to transform their universe. Teddy twirls around, picking up blocks, Doll dances with the broom, sweeping away dust bunnies, and Bunny hops with the dustpan, collecting stray crayons. Together, they glide and twirl, turn and jump, their movements in synchrony with the joyous clean-up song. One by one, a place for everything and everything in place. And by the time the last note plays, behold a playroom that sparkles like new. Their magical cleaning adventure proves that tidying up can be its own fun game, a melody of joy and teamwork.